Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with HULA Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. Happy Aloha Friday, and it is time to hula together. I want to invite you to our last hula along of the song Ko'ula. If you are just tuning in and would like to learn this hula from the beginning, click on the top right hand corner with the drop down menu will take you back to the beginning. For those of you that have already learned Ko'ula, let's go ahead and hula together. Ho'oma kau kau. Mahalo for tuning in today with HULA Hawaii. I would appreciate a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Please share my channel with others and subscribe if you haven't already. Until we see each other next week for a new hula series, a hui ho and aloha.